so pretty. Wow. There better be nothing on this bed. Okay, I'm done. Hi guys, it's Sarah, and last night I was in bed and I was trying to plan a really cool video to film today, but I checked the weather and it was meant to be raining, so I decided that I would film a video staying at the best 5-star rated hotel because it was raining, and I was like, what else am I gonna film? Plus my TV broke because we got hit by an electrical storm and now it doesn't work, so I'm just really bored. I was looking at hotels that we could stay at. I eventually found one that was rated 5 stars, or maybe it was like 4.8. Normally I would pick the hotel room that is the cheapest, but I'm like trying to be a good YouTuber and I wanted to film a fun video. I decided that I would pick a more expensive room. I booked a hotel room that cost me $800. Plot twist, that is non-refundable and it is sunny AF outside today. That $800 fee, that is for one night with no breakfast included. So I'm gonna go pack for what I hope is the best sleep/night accommodation that I'm ever gonna have in my whole entire life. Give this video a thumbs up because I spent $800. Let's go do it. It better be a good video. Last night I used a texturizing spray that I've like not used before and it literally made my hair feel so horrible. So we're not doing that again today. So I'm gonna take shampoo and conditioner. I do really want to have like long, healthy, smooth hair. I just feel like it makes me feel more confident. So one of the biggest struggles that I have is just finding a shampoo and conditioner that like works for my hair type. But I also wanted to say a huge thank you to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video. Function of Beauty actually has customizable shampoo and conditioners so you guys can like choose exactly what you want for your specific hair type. They make unique formulas for your unique hair and no two formulas have ever been the same. So it's actually super easy. All you have to do is go onto their website, fill out a 2-minute survey, and you just put in your hair preferences, your hair type, and your hair goals. My goals were to hydrate, volumize, thermal protection, anti-frizz, and reduce brassiness. And you can also choose the color and the fragrance. So I chose peach as the fragrance, but it came purple because I had like the brassiness added on. They're vegan and 100% cruelty-free. They also have no parabens, toxins, GMOs, or sulfates. I've been using these for about the last month. My hair has been feeling so much healthier and thicker and way less frizzy, which is the first time in my whole life that that's happened. You guys can click the link in my bio to get 20% off your first order. It's currently available in the US, Canada, Great Britain, Ireland, Australia, and New Zealand. I'm just gonna put some into these little travel bottles. They sell these separately on their website, and their bottles also come with a little pump top as well. Comment down below what your guys' hair goals are and what color shampoo and conditioner you guys would choose. So I'm gonna finish packing and I'm gonna go to the hotel, so see you guys when I get there. Peace. We made it! Whoa, this looks so bougie.
I wish it wasn't just one night.
Is it just me, or are these lift doors the most bougie lift doors you've ever seen? What? There's a seat in the elevator. 10 out of 10 bougie. Okay, we're walking to our villa. I didn't realize it was like a villa. That sounds even bougie. Guys, it is so sunny. Okay, we just checked in. We have the kitchen. I don't know how to do a tour. This is the dining table. I don't have 5 friends, so hit me up in the comments if you guys want to come over. There's a staircase also, but we gonna keep that secret for now. Don't click out of the video because we're gonna go up the staircase in just a sec. We have this kitchen that is big enough for a large family. It's just Kane and I. Okay, we have another room. I don't really understand why there's glass here. So we have these 2 beds, a glass window that connects to the kitchen just in case you're like sleeping but also like trying to cook pasta. It does have a TV though. That's a big pro. Then we have these super creepy cupboards, which I'm not gonna open because I already opened them and it was traumatic. It was scary. Cut to that footage of me doing that. Guys, I just opened this room and I like don't know what the frick this is, but it's so scary. Look up there. We're gonna close that for the whole time that we're here. That's like haunted.
Are you doing the bathroom?
Oh, never mind, I forgot a room. There's also a bathroom.
Oh, you know it's a nice bathroom too. When they've got the pointy toilet paper.
And then you come down like some steps into a lounge room. So this is a lounge room.
Ooh, yeah.
But anyways, this couch has way too many cushions for anyone to sit on it.
No, Sarah, you are the person that puts 20 cushions on things.
It's cute though. This is like the best bit. There is the nicest view. What? Do I look like a travel vlogger? Okay, Kane's gonna do the rest of the tour.
Does my hair look okay? Do I look alright? Okay.
There you go.
Coming up the stairs from the lounge room, you have the master bedroom. They've got so much room everywhere else in the apartment that this is like the smallest room that they've got. We've got a bed, 3 chairs.
And a TV that hasn't been hit by lightning.
That's a bonus. I'll show you the bathroom.
You can't film a room tour and not jump in the bed, Kane. Why did that look so painful?
This pillow. It's just a hot water thing. 2 sinks, both for Sarah, and that's about it. Oh, we got...
Are you flossing? Okay, this video is over.
Are you ready? We're gonna go up the spiral staircase.
Let's go. Whoa, this is so cute. This is so pretty. Also like extra pretty because the sun is like about to set. Wow. Yo, do you want to take an Instagram here? You look so good. I'm gonna take some photos of Kane. All seriousness though, can you please take a photo of me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, we got some photos. That is the roof tour. Katie and I have something really random to show you guys. This morning when we like realized that this is what we were doing, we were like, we should try and get like black UV light torches. They show you body fluid. I just remembered you calling up. Kane called up the store to ask them if they had these torches. So I was just wondering if you guys have those torches that they like use on crime shows when like they're trying to like see like the blood of the body. And I was like, you're gonna get there and the police are gonna be there. We're gonna see if there's like a lot of body fluid. I hope there's nothing. First things first, you have to turn all the lights off so it's like basically dark. This is the weirdest thing I've ever done. We're gonna do the remote control first. Can you see anything? I don't think there's anything on it. Put your hand out. Oh my gosh, my nails are glowing. We're so distracted right now. Okay, we're gonna go to the bathroom because that just seems like where there would be body fluids. Ooh, what is that? Wait, I like didn't think that these torches were gonna work. What about like the handle? That looks pretty clean. Thank goodness they're clean. Okay, the button's pretty clean. Honestly, this bathroom is way cleaner than I thought, but there is like something on the wall over here. There's like a couple of flecks on the toilet, but you can't really see it. Okay, this is so random.
Literally on there.
Okay, I'm done. You can't expect to get rid of all that, surely. This is actually the weirdest thing I've ever done. Let's pull open the sheets. There better be nothing on this bed. On the real, I'm not actually sure how much those lights work or if we have like a good light. So I feel like it wasn't even that bad, to be honest.
Our home was worse. I wanted to see if the thing worked and it was worse.
Okay, I think the next thing that we're gonna do is order room service because number one, I'm hungry and I feel like it's a part of the hotel experience, so we gotta do it. We're gonna time them, see how good it is. I'm acting like there needs to be a reason, but at the end of the day, I'm just so hungry. Okay, we're gonna order.
There we go. Let's see how long it takes.
Update! The food just arrived. It took 31 minutes. That's pretty good. That's how long it takes to get food at like a restaurant. We got a pizza, margarita, fries. We got some gnocchis. I posted out on Instagram and I told you guys that we were doing a little mukbang situation. So to hit us with some crazy questions, what are your guys' most embarrassing moment?
I'm gonna eat this first and then I'll tell you. The olive gnocchi.
Let's try them together.
Honestly, I think that's good. And the most awkward thing probably in my whole life. We got in an Uber and this question always comes up. What do you guys do for work? Normally,
we lie!
The reason why we lie is because sometimes it gets awkward for some reason, and then this time Sarah's like, oh, we make videos. And then Guy's like, oh, what sort of videos? And Sarah just said, oh, just online videos.
He thought that we made like adult videos. It was uncomfortable because by the time we got into this conversation and it was time to be like, we don't film porn, the Uber ride was over.
I want to try this pizza.
Next question is, does Kane have any specific job to earn money? I feel like you should answer this question about you.
I make YouTube videos with Sarah, and if I didn't help, Sarah wouldn't sleep and she'd look like an 80-year-old.
I feel like if I did it on my own, I wouldn't be able to make the kind of videos that I like to make as much. You know what I mean? I just want to say, I've never filmed a mukbang before, but it's actually kind of awkward to film because this whole video is me just like finding questions while I'm eating and then waiting for Kane to finish chewing and asking. It's kind of awkward.
Maybe next time I'll just answer with food in my mouth.
Is that what people do?
I have no idea. Trisha, is that what you do?
Okay, next question is, did you or Kane ever prank each other? And one time Kane pranked me so bad. Do you know that washing machine was?
Yeah, I can't forget that one. I bought a fake phone that looked exactly like Sarah's. Sarah is paranoid about her phone being in the wash because you can't take it out until it's done. I put it in there, the fake phone. After like 5 minutes, I'm like, what's that noise? And I'm like, babe, where's your phone? Oh my gosh. I like felt really bad because Sarah was getting upset.
Yeah, because we didn't have any money, so I was like, well, I'm gonna have to go without a phone. That is so mean.
Oh, it was. I felt so bad.
Okay, overall, I rate the food like a 7.
I'm gonna give it an 8 because it came pretty quick.
Okay, I'm gonna give it an 8 too
You
because you're
got
being so
me.
nice. See you when I see you. I am about to go to bed. I thought that I would rate the mini bar because right now and every night we like sweet food. Oh, wait, this is actually kind of a lot. Wait, what is this? Pepsi? Oops, I'm making a noise. Ugh. Oh my god, guys, I love cheese so much that actually like hurts my heart. Oh, I love Kit Kats. Okay, nothing in the freezer. And then I feel like there would be stuff in here, is there? What is this, that tea? Okay, I thought there might have been more, but that was it. So I think I'm gonna go to Kit Kat. It has dairy in it, but I can't help it. I'm so tired. I'm gonna eat my Kit Kat, watch some TV, and then I'm probably gonna go to sleep. But I'm so excited for tomorrow to go to the all-you-can-eat breakfast and look at like the pool and stuff. So, good night. Good morning, guys. I really want to walk around this hotel because it looks so good. We didn't have a look last night because it was getting dark.
I feel like it looks like we're overseas here.
It does.
There's
it
so many palm trees.
This is where we should have filmed that challenge of pretending that we're in Fiji for 2 days or whatever.
Also, I would say comment down below if you want to see that, but then I feel like that would give it away.
So we're gonna look around and then get breakfast and then I don't know. Okay, we're like coming up to the pool area. There is literally no one here, guys. You like just fall in. We're gonna see how cold it is. It's not that cold. Thank you. Give me your best travel blogger moment.
Is that me?
I'll show you. It's a competition.
Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Amazing.
Woo.
Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna say it was all the camera work.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes, you get those Insta likes.
Everyone just unsubscribe.
Literally. Please don't unsubscribe. He won't be in my next video.
Yeah, well, I'll make sure of it.
Facilities are bomb. We can't find the gym because this place is so big.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it a 10 because it's also empty, so then I feel like a little more confident in the pool.
Food montage. Is this what we paid $800 for? I have literally just been filming Kane this whole time and he has a full plate of food and I'm just like...
A wild Sarah is getting her breakfast. My bet is Sarah's gonna get a big bowl of cheese. That is the cheese section.
I got cheese.
I knew it.
Breakfast was bomb. We're about to check out. While editing this video, I realized that I never like rounded off my thoughts on the hotel and the 5-star experience. I thought it was bomb. I probably rated like a 9, but I'm a cheapskate, so I'm not trying to spend $800 a night. Yeah, I didn't say that in the video. Bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like this is something really weird and random, but let me know in the comments if you guys would want to see more videos like this. Give it a thumbs up if you guys do. I'll see you guys in my next one. Subscribe too.